Now our motto determine V0 with the help of Thevenin's theorem. So how can determine? First of all, we have considered that is X and here Y terminal, and this one will behave as a load resistance, so it is removed. After that we have focused on equivalent, Thevenin's equivalent corresponding to XY terminal, means VTH and RTH. How can determine VTH? VTH means open circuit corresponding to this load XY terminal. So if this one is an open circuit, then we got like this one. And we have considered loop analysis because of here, that is dependent source available here. Otherwise we follow a lot of methods. Okay, so if you loop analysis, that is I1 current, loop current I1, here I2, here I3, here I4. I4 is 2 milliampere, branch current and loop current are same, so I4 is written as 2 milliampere. And what about I1 is 2ix, clear? Same, loop current and branch current are same, that's why. After that, what about branch current? I1 like this one, I2 like this one. So branch current I1 plus I2 in this branch. Similarly, I3 like this one, I1 upward and I3 also upward. So branch current I1 plus I3. Now here I2 downward and I3 upward. So what about branch current? If this one is dominate I3, then I2 minus I3, because of I3 direction is upward and I2 direction is downward, that's why. I2 minus I3 is written as also Ix. Now next target, what about here? I4 like this one, I3 like this one, so both loop current downward, so branch current I3 plus I4, clear? After that apply KVL here, and after that apply KVL here. So if you apply KVL here, -2 plus -4 plus I1 plus I2 and plus Ix, this will be equal to 0. I1 is 2Ix, put here, then determine 4, this will be equal to like this, 4 plus 4, this will be 3Ix plus I2, this will be equal to I2, this will be equal, that is equation number 1. Next target, apply KVL in this loop. Plus to minus plus I1 plus I3 plus to minus I3 plus I4 plus 6 volt -2 plus minus Ix, this is equal to 0. After solving, what about Ix? Ix is 2Ix, I1 is 2Ix, put here I3 plus I3, that is 2I3. What about I4? I4 is 2 milliampere, that is 6, and put this value. After that solving this, we got Ix is like this one. Clear or not? Now if this value put here, 4 into 3, 8 minus 2I3 plus I2, multiply 3 and we got, that is 28, this will be equal to I2 minus 6I3, this will be equal to equation number 2. I know that Ix is also written as I2 minus I3. Okay, this value I2, this Ix is also like this one, then this value put here, and we got I2 is minus 8 plus minus I3. If this value put here, then we got I3 is minus 36 by 7. Now apply KVL in this loop, -2 plus V of OC minus V of OC plus 2 into 1k, that is 2, and I3 plus I4. I3 is minus 36 by 7 and I4 is 2, plus to minus 6 volt, this will be equal to 0. So V of OC is 10, adding 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10, 10 minus 36 by 7, then we got 4.8571 volt, that is VTH. Okay, that is V of OC, that is VTH. Clear or not? Now, so now next target is determine RTH. So how can we determine RTH? All independent source reduced to be 0 first of all. All independent source reduced, that is short circuit, and that is short circuit, and that is open circuit. Clear? Now next target is, that is current dependent current source available. So how can solve this type of problem? I know that if this type of problem available, then dependent source type of problem, how can deal with the help of 1 volt voltage source or 1 ampere current source. If you consider 1 milliampere, why consider 1 milliampere? Because of all in kilo ohm. If all resistance taken ohm, then here consider 1 ampere. Clear? If you consider 1 milliampere, then what about resistance? Our motto, we have focused on RTH is RTH this equal to VTH. Okay, because of V this equal to I into RTH. I is 1, so RTH. V this equal to RTH. Okay, V this equal to basically what determine RTH. Okay, if you determine V, then we determine RTH. Clear or not? So how can do it? If you current here current I1, here I2, here I3 loop current, here I4 loop current. I1 loop current and branch current are same. I4 this is equal to 1 milliampere. Clear? Now next target is what about branch current? Loop current like this one, I2 like this one, so branch current I1 plus I2. I3 like this one, I1 like this one, so both current are upward direction. Loop current, so branch current I1 plus I3. Now here I2 like this one, I3 opposite to I2. So if you consider this one dominate, then I2 minus I3. Here I3 like this one and I4 like this one. So both current loop current direction downward. So branch current is I3 plus I4. And here no any loop current, so branch current and loop current are same. So I4. Okay, I4 in this branch. Clear? Now apply KVL in this loop. If you apply KVL in this loop, that is I1 plus I2 plus Ix, this is equal to 0. So next target is up. Okay, clear or not? Put this value. I1 is 2Ix, I2 same Ix. So after solving this, I2 this is equal to minus 3Ix. Okay, now again apply KVL in this loop. Minus to plus to minus, I1 plus I3 plus I3 plus I4. Current direction minus to plus. So but current downward, here minus to plus, so minus Ix. This is equal to 0. Again I3 plus I3, that is 2I3. I1 is 2Ix, so put here. What about I4? I4 is 1. So like this one, after solving we got. Clear? Now next target is I2 minus I3, this is equal to Ix. Okay, if this value put here, then we got I3 this in the terms of Ix, that's minus 4 Ix. If this value I3 this equal to now I3 this is equal to minus 4Ix. Clear or not? After that, I know that if this value put here, then we got 2 times I3 is minus 4Ix plus Ix, this is equal to minus 1, then Ix is 1 by 7. So if again put here, then we got I3 is minus 4 by 7 milliampere. After that, apply KVL in this loop, then we got minus V plus minus 1 into 1 milliampere, so 1 volt. Okay, or you can say I4 plus I3 plus I4, this is equal to 0. After that, put this value I4 plus I4, 2 into I4, 2 into I4 is 1, so 2 into 1. I3 is minus 4 by 7, put value minus 4 by 7, then after that we got 1.428 volt. V is 1.428, but V is RTH, so RTH is like this. Why kilo ohm? Because of this one we consider milliampere, that's why RTH is also kilo ohm. Because of this V, all voltage bolt in bolt, that's why. Okay, so RTH is 1.428, and after that this value and this value put here, then after that apply voltage divided by V0 is RL into VTH divided by RTH plus RL, and find out answer is 2 volt is the final answer. Make it.